Okay, Everly. So, where is the puppy?
Oh, last time the sister Francis come in my house, so I'm already gone, so I can retrieve the stick.
We have to review the puppy
Oh
also.
yeah, here.
No? No?
Guys, come on. I don't want.
So, what are you holding?
The dog stick.
The dog stick. So, where is the dog?
He's still asleep.
Still asleep?
Yeah. Maybe he's still tired with sister Francis. So last time my sister Francis is playing with the dog and friend is a boy too.
Mm-hmm.
And he's super tired maybe at playing with
So,
sister
the puppy still rests.
Francis. Yeah, he's
Sleeping.
still- Yeah.
Okay.
So I can ready for the stick, guys. Okay, guys, here for like.
Okay, let's go get the puppy.
Okay, here comes here, guys.
So, where is the puppy?
Here.
Oh.
This is not a puppy. This is a cat.
Hmm?
It's a cat.
It's a puppy.
Really?
A puppy or cat?
A cat. Here.
Oh yeah, it's a cat. Sorry. My mistake.
Yeah, you just like you're really old.
What? I'm old?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you like this is a dog.
Okay.
But this is a cat.
Okay.
So, guys. Oh no. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Say hi. Say hi. You know what they're talking about. Wait, what the talk? Oh, he said her magical. And
Oh, the cat has a
so
horn.
he say I can get you 4 wishes.
Okay.
Why one?
I want to be smart. My wishes is come true?
Yes.
Okay.
So 4 wishes.
Okay.
The next
I
one.
only mentioned one wishes. One wish, okay? So there is 3 left.
No, 4 left.
No, 3.
3.
I already mentioned one.
Okay.
So
what's next?
I want to be a loving person. Okay.
Oh, it's wish come true. Okay, my turn next.
Okay.
I wish there's snow and here. Whoa! It's so
So magical.
yeah, so magical. Oh, it's really. Oh, there's one left, so my turn. You're already done.
Okay.
Okay. I wish my dad is better. Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! My wishes come true. Okay, guys, so let's go review the stick. So, guys, series 4. This one, you don't know this one for the last video. This one, the stick, and this one, and for this one. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Puppy, you're okay. Oh, cat, you're okay.
Okay then.
Guys, so we can take her a walk. So here. Here, guys. Whoa! Whoa.
Cool. Okay. See you on the next episode, guys.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna go with the pet.